Hey guys, so I was out in the garden watering and I heard, like, you know, when bees are close by, you hear that buzzing pretty loudly. And I was over by the beehives, but they're not usually that loud. So I was like, what in the world? So just kind of glanced up and I noticed that there was bees everywhere above me. So I was like, oh, that kind of looks like what happened when they swarmed last year when we caught 3 swarms. So I just kind of watched them and they were just kind of moving their way across the pasture. So I prayed and I said, God, help them find a spot here and we'll take care of them, we'll give them a good home. I don't know if you can see this or not, but the swarm is collecting in this bush. The lilac bush. Dark, that's not a stem, that's actually bees collecting on the branches right there, right in the center. And you can see them, they're all swarming around all those black dots. I texted our beekeeper and told him that there's a potential swarm. So hopefully he'll be able to make it over here and catch them before they find a new home. I'm so excited. There's a shot from the other side of the fence where they're not. Isn't that awesome? So amazing.
Zoom in so you can like see the bees.
Good. It's so nice when your beekeeper lives 5 minutes away. So he's here, he's setting up a box for him.
Really?
Yep, he's setting up a hive for him. And then he's gonna try to catch them. So we're heading down with some bee frames so he can put those in the box. And then we'll watch him catch them, put them in the hive, and hopefully they make it home sweet home.
June 8th, 2021.
All right, so here's the master at work. We've got our box.
Are they gonna get angry?
No, and they're all plugged full of honey. So,
oh, because they're looking for a new place.
yeah, so they took every ounce of honey they could. So this is generally least likely time to get stuck. It can still happen. It can always happen.
No guarantees. Are you petting them?
I'm getting them like off the top, so they're more hanging down. Now I got stuck. That was my fault.
Out?
Yeah. Just scrape it out. Always just scrape it out.
Like
if you pinch it to pull it out, then the poison, there's like a poison sac on the end of it. You push more poison into it. So always just scrape it out. It's not like you'll generally won't leave any pieces of it in, because it's so fine on that end. Even though you see one stinger, it's a bunch of little stingers.
Oh.
Yeah.
Beekeeping 101. We learn something every time you come.
Okay, I'm gonna do it.
And if you have her, they'll follow you, right?
Yeah. I think I got her. I didn't see her on the ground. I'll come back and look.
Does she fly when you do that, or does she get carried by them?
She's usually, she can fly.
Oh, okay.
But she's usually covered in bees so tightly that just can't. There's too many stuck to her wing.
Okay. How's it look?
They're staying in there.
Yay! Good job, Cameron.
Maybe.
Wait, BBC?
Oh, good job. We'll check this weekend.
Okay.
Won't really know until.
Because it takes a few days, right?
Yeah. If she's not in there, they'll take off. But I think there's a good chance.
You look like an intrigued little kid.
I don't see her anywhere.
Hopefully
They're
they.
really gentle. If you wanted to come, like, see them.
They're like crawling on you,
Yeah, they're crawling all over me.
but they're not stinging.
They're not stinging at all. Now, remember how you were talking about that girl that picked them up?
Yeah.
I could shake this whole thing off in my hand right now. Tell you, when they're swarming, they're just so docile usually.
Oh my gosh. I've never been this close to so many bees.
It's safer right now, and watch me say that and you get stung, but right now than when we work the hives. They just,
Oh my goodness, that's amazing.
it's not their concern right now.
They're trying to find her, right?
We're all doing the same thing right now.
So amazing.
Look at that little guy right there. You see that? That one's a new hatchling. Teeny,
look at
teeny
that
little
smaller.
one.
He must have followed his mama.
One of them.
Our bee guy's here to check on the swarm that we caught the other night. He's gonna see if they're doing well, if they stayed. So let's go check it out. If it's not too much.
It's awesome.
Did they stay?
Yeah. I found the queen.
Oh, you did?
I was getting worried because I didn't see any eggs.
Yeah.
But they were.
Do they make eggs that quick though?
Yeah, she would.
Oh.
They were making it all on this one side, so I just moved them over. Actually, I should move them over this way.
Nothing's sealed, so they're not mad at you. Is that right?
Yeah, the top, I was pretty surprised how sealed.
Oh, that is a lot.
See the wax already? They've already collected honey.
Whoa.
And the queen she was right here.
Oh, is that her with the really long butt right there?
You see her
Right
already?
there?
Yep, that is her. You see it? Yep, good job. She's old. She's an old queen.
Oh, really?
Mhm.
So that means they'll probably make a new one? Or do they live for a long time?
No, they can live for years.
Wow. Can you tell by how many stripes they have?
How dark they are. And the fur on them being all rubbed off and gone.
That's how you can tell how old they are?
Yeah. They just look raggedy.
Kind of how we look when we get old, huh?
Can you see her back? Not her bottom, the back, but the top of her, right behind her head.
Is she closer to you?
No, she's right in the middle towards the right now. If I could here.
Oh my gosh, Cameron, I've never been this close.
After last time.
Oh, there she is.
Yep. See behind her head?
Oh,
See
yeah.
right there?
It's
If you look
kinda
at some of the the younger bees, right there, how furry they are,
Uh-huh.
that gets rubbed off.
Okay, I'm gonna have to back up now.
You're good.
Whoa. Yay, that's so exciting.